Welcome to the Easy Computer Fixes channel, and this is a little tips and tricks video for people that have problems with the Microsoft Store in Windows 10. There are several types of problems that can arise that we've learned today. That there's one that is going to be fixed for some users, but you might have issues with the Microsoft Store. And what can you do if you can't download or install apps, if they seem to get stuck or you get only error messages? Well, one of the commands that you can issue is a store reset. And to do this, you can go to your Cortana search box, just type WSRESET, which is Windows Store Reset. When you click this command, it's going to apply a reset to the Microsoft Store. This reset will remove cached files, will remove all sorts of settings, and will hopefully fix some of the issues that you might have within that store. It's not a foolproof fix, but once it's done, your store will actually come back, hopefully reset, hopefully working fine, and you should be okay. So this tip is probably going to fix maybe 50 or 60% of people having problems with the store. The other 40%, there are some unique problems that are tackled differently. But this is a general first thing to try if you do have problems with the Microsoft Store within Windows 10. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.